Hello friends, welcome to my famous and creative YouTube channel to watch more creative videos on FastAPI using Python, using microservices. We have gone through few videos on microservices such as Introduction to Microservices, then FastAPI, then Path Parameter, RESTful API, Connection to MySQL, CURD operation with in-memory database example, Postman, and many more. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is about authorization with password and bearer. So let us go through the program. First of all, we'll go to app directory. In that we are having main. This is about main API. So username is John DOC and this is hash password. Hash password in the sense this is not original password. We have seen in cyber security videos what is hash function. Means the password which you say on the server that is encrypted and we cannot decrypt that password. That is nothing but the hash password, and these such type of password are given to the Postgres database, MySQL database. That's all. So this is all about the program. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. Yes, now I will click on authorize because my today's video is about authorization password. Now username JOHN DOE, password secret. Yes, so username is this and password. So these are nothing but the hash code that we are seeing, hash password. Now I will close. Now I will get. Now no parameter. Okay, fine. Try it out. Yes, full name John and email and username and this. So disable false. So I successfully done with authorization with password and bearer. I hope you like this video. This is bearer and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Streamlit, machine learning, FastAPI, Python, web development, if possible Node.js, if possible React.js. I am still studying more about Node.js because I want to do something more creative videos on Node.js. I will be back with more creative videos on Node.js but in different style. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.